Okay folks, this is a little promotional video because my dear friend Eric dropped this Cvtoolkit which contains 12 modular CV tools for the Reason Rack, and sadly it's not on sale anymore, but you can also buy the models by itself. To be fair here, I'm not that much of a CV guy for myself. I rarely use it, and I'm not a master at all at this, but I composed a little piece of music I want to show off to get a good example what could be done with Eric's cool devices here. To show it to you all, our first instance of Europa has no modulation at all. Our second iteration has a slow creeping frequency modulation here. We get a little bit of sidechaining and EQing, nothing fancy here. The third iteration gets a sample and hold function here, and I've really began to shuffle around some cables here. For instance, we got the happy occasion if I hit run that the hi-hats will be triggered by random aspects using this curve here. Yeah, we got a little bit of shape-shifting ongoing at our square swarm here, also by experimental sounds. I like this thing. And yeah, we get a little dry-wet automation using a unipolar random function on the CV shape tool as well. Yeah, I guess that's all I can say about that. Just listen and think for yourself. Okay guys, that's everything for today. Please check out this Cvtoolkit if you're interested in some kind of modular feeling in the Reason Rack. There are these occasional hi-hats I mentioned earlier. They're great fun, even for unexperienced people like me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and a comment down below. This helps the channel alive and growing. Have a great day. See you next time.